going on, everybody? It's your boy Grandmaster, back at you with another one. Before we start this video, make sure you smash that subscribe button. We're gonna grow this channel together. So in this video, we're back in the unboxing setup. You know what that means? We're unboxing stuff. I've actually bought myself a new iPhone. I'm switching from Team Android to Team iPhone. Everybody in my family has one, and it's been about 6 years since I've had an iPhone, so I thought, need a new phone, this is gonna be the time. The budget price on this is what got me to go from the Galaxy back to the iPhone, because at $400 you just can't beat that. And of course I had to get the AirPods, go with it, matching white with the white AirPods. So I think it's gonna be a pretty cool unboxing. Nothing too crazy, I'm not trying to be informative, something I spent my money on, so I thought I'd make a quick video out of it, and I am really excited, so let's get cracking, guys.
Which one should we unbox first? I guess we'll do the phone first. Alrighty, what do we got here, Apple? Impress me. Alrighty. Beautiful box opening, seamless, designed by Apple in California. This will probably have my SIM card, couple things in it, instruction manual. Welcome to iPhone. Ooh-wee. Alright, heavier than I expected. I like that. It feels substantial in the hand. Alright, we gotta get a peel. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it's going all the way, wrapping all the way around. Alright. And a flip. Well, isn't that fancy? I like that it still has the Touch ID, since the new iPhones don't. Yeah, it's way more substantial in the hand than I was expecting. I love that. The small form factor fits in the palm of your hand, which is super cool. Move the logo from the top of the phone down. I like that. Lightning, awesome. Not much to see. We all know what an iPhone is. It's just a big deal to me because I'm going from Android back to iPhone. Alright. Yeah, I had the S8 and the 9 came out, the S10, and I didn't feel the need to get a new phone, and now so much time has passed, I was like, time for a new phone. Alright, so these are the AirPod wired. Yeah, that's why we had to go wireless this day and age. I'll fuck with those later. I might even just keep it in the box. Awesome. We got our cable. Everybody needs a cable. And that's the iPhone for you guys. Yeah. Team iPhone for the win. Grandmaster Squad, who's out there? Team iPhone, Team Android. Did I make a huge mistake, or is this going to be an awesome experience? Drop it down in the comments. Let me know what you think. I like the brushed aluminum on the sides. The fact that it's a black panel on the front, and then white on the back. I got a Panda phone right here. It just makes the screen seem so much bigger, in my opinion, which is cool. Yeah, I'm actually using the S8 as the Galaxy S8 as my vlog camera now, and this is just going to be my regular cell phone. So I'll just be able to turn service off on that one and turn it on with this. And have that be my backup, this be my backup phone now, and I'm just going to permanently use it for vlogs. Because this phone, even if I wanted to, it doesn't have a connector it doesn't have a headphone jack for the microphone that I use, as well as the lens won't fit, the style lens that I use. And yeah, so even if I wanted to use this phone as my vlog camera, I couldn't. I'm looking into maybe getting a GoPro or some type of action camera, but I mean, to be honest, this camera that I've been using, my phone that I've been using as my vlog camera, it's been doing me solid for quite some time, so Now this is going to be my main social media phone, connecting to you guys, talking to y'all on Instagram. I'll be taking pictures and stuff with this and doing my Instagram stories. So it's going to be my work phone, because most of my work is online. It's communicating with y'all on social media, showing you guys my experiences and what I'm doing. So this is an extension of how I communicate with you guys, so I thought I'd bring y'all in for a little unboxing. Because you know me, I'm enjoying these unboxing videos. I'm gonna probably turn that on when I'm done with the whole experience, because we all know what an iPhone turns on like, right? And just for fun, let's crack open these AirPods. Already had it slit right there. And so just before I purchased, I realized they have ones with the wireless charging case, and then the case that just charges your wireless headphones. I don't have two wireless pads, so I figured I don't need the wireless case. I don't mind plugging it in. It's interesting that Apple sells all of these wireless products, but has no wireless chargers. What do y'all think about that? What's your opinion on it? If you know the answer, drop it down in the comments below. Snug type box opening on that one. Designed by Apple in California. Oh wait, does that say? Just kidding. Yep, California. Psych. And we got the headphones, just like that. Once again, much heavier in the hand than I expected. I like that. That's a good thing. I don't want light, dinky plastic, so substantial in the hand is definitely the way to go. Protect these little guys. Awesome. What else we got in here? And the charger. No cube with it, you know. For the price, I would have liked a cube, but you know. So now I'm gonna have to alternate. If I were to want to charge my iPhone and my headphones at the same time, I couldn't. So that's interesting. Did not know that. Now let's pop these out of them. First time ever really checking these out, so. Oh, nice, nice. They don't fall out. I like that. Okay, okay. Very futuristic, in my opinion. I like that though. The hinge does feel a little bit flimsy. It doesn't rattle or shake, but it does feel like you hit it too hard, it'll break off. The bottom part is clearly where the battery pack is at. It's bottom heavy. So let's see how heavy they are without the headphones in them. Yeah, these are pretty light. Awesome. Well guys, I think that's gonna be the unboxing. Well, that's what I'm talking about. Team iPhone, guys. Big switch for me. I hope I enjoy it. iOS systems, let's get it. All in all, I'm pretty excited about the new purchases. Just bringing you guys in, letting y'all know what's going on in the daily. My new communication device with y'all to the interwebs through my cellular device. So, talking to you guys, it's definitely a pleasure, and it's going to be more enjoyable on this platform, I hope. As always, guys, smash that subscribe button. Drop a comment down below if you want to see something different, or if you're enjoying my unboxing videos. What you think about the new iPhone? Have I made a mistake? Is this a good purchase? Was it a good price point? Could they have done better? Could they have done worse? Let me know in the comments down below. But other than that, guys, remember, never stop evolving.
Grandmaster Glass.